So now we have already provided the hoop reinforcement as main reinforcement throughout the height of the circular tank, that is circumferential reinforcement we have provided to resist the hoop tension. So as per clause 8.1.1 of IS 3370 part 2, we have the provision for reinforcement in vertical direction, that is minimum reinforcement in walls. We have provided that as the vertical reinforcement should not be less than 0.35 percentage of surface zone cross section. Surface zone cross section means we have already said that if this is a wall, then outer face reinforcement controls d by 2 depth, then inner face reinforcement controls d by 2 of the wall depth by 2. So half of the depth is controlled by one surface on reinforcement. Okay, reinforcement on one face, so that is the surface on cross section. Okay, so AST minimum as per code is 0.35 percentage, that is 0.0035 into 1000 per meter height we are considering. Per meter height means 1000 mm into 200 by 2, that is d by 2. That is AST minimum is provided as vertical reinforcement, that means 350 mm square per meter. Provide 10 mm dia bars at 200 mm center to center on each face. You have to calculate the spacing required from the equation. Spacing is equal to 1000 AFI by AST. Then you will get the AST required. You have to spacing required. Then you have to provide the minimum spacing. So we are providing this much spacing. So AST provided is obtained from this equation, that is 785, which is greater than the AST minimum, so it is satisfied. Since the lateral pressure decreases towards the top, the percent of main reinforcement or hoop steel can be decreased towards the top. Okay, that we can discuss in the detailing part. Next we have to decide the tank base slab. The thickness of base slab shall be 150 mm. Minimum thickness we are providing as 150 mm. The base slab rests on firm ground, hence only minimum reinforcement is provided. So you have to refer clause 8.1.1 of IS 3370 part 2. Minimum reinforcement in floor is also 0.35 percentage of the surface zone. So here, if this is a base slab, upper portion, that is the upper surface zone, we are providing the reinforcement. Since it is specified in the code that for depth of slab less than 200 or 300, then we have to provide only reinforcement at the top face, that is the inner face of the floor, not in the outer face of the floor as in the case of walls. So we have to provide this much area of reinforcement, 0.35% of the surface cross section, that is 1000 into 150 divided by 2, that is D is 150 divided by 2, 262.5 mm square. Then using 10 mm dia bars, AFI is equal to 78.5. We will get spacing required as 1000 AFI by AST, substituting 299. Then we can provide 10 mm dia bars at 250 mm center to center on top face. Okay, only on top face. So you have to refer figure 2 and condition given there in IS 3370 part 2. So this is all about the detailing diagram. We are providing a joint ceiling here in order to assure that there is no leakage of water from the water tank. Okay, so here we have already said that we provided hoop reinforcement. So first 1 meter height, since the pressure is highest at this base, the pressure, hydrostatic pressure decreases towards the top, we can increases the spacing of hoop reinforcement towards the top, or the percentage of reinforcement to be provided in the top can be less, okay, since the spacing is increased towards the top. So for 1 meter height we are providing 16 mm dia bar set 190 center to center. You can find out the spacing for the succeeding heights up to 5 meter. Now I have not uh, do that steps. Okay, you can find out those things. So here we have provided the vertical reinforcement as 10 mm at 200 mm center to center. So reinforcement, both hoop reinforcement and vertical reinforcement are provided at both faces in the wall. So this reinforcement in the outer face controls half of the depth of wall. Then this inner face reinforcements controls half of the depth, d by 2. It is a surface zone cross section means. So in the base slab we can provide, uh, we have to provide only in the top surface zone. Okay, so here 10 mm 5 bars at 250 mm center to center provided. Okay, so this is all about the detailing diagram. So in practical case it may be provided at the base also the reinforcements, but as per the code it is only required to provide in the top face in case of floor, and hoop reinforcement, vertical reinforcement are also provided. So this is the design for a circular water tank with flexible base. So in rigid base case there will be moment also apart from the hoop tension, so the design will be different, that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.